Hello my friends, in today's video we will show you 10 of the biggest machines in the world that you need to see. Largest tunnel boring machine, Bertha. Bertha, the largest tunnel boring machine in the world, was built specifically for the Washington State Department of Transportation's project, the Alaskan Way Viaduct Replacement Tunnel in Seattle, Washington. Its construction, which had a circumference of 57.5 feet, was finished in Seattle in June 2013. It was created in Osaka, Japan by Hitachi Zosen Sakai Works. Beginning in July 2013, the machine constructed the tunnel in only 2 years. The giant mechanical spider, La Princesse. The name of the magnificent mechanical spider is La Princesse and it is 15 meters tall. It was displayed in Yokohama, Japan in the year 2009 as a part of Yokohama's 150th anniversary at its port opening, and it was also showcased in Liverpool, England as a part of European Capital of Culture celebrations in 2008. The spider toured the city between the 3rd and 7th of September, blowing people's minds. The French company La Machine designed the mechanical spider, and its cost of making was around $2.49 million. Biggest railgun, Schwerer Gustav. The 80-meter Schwerer Gustav railway cannon was created in Nazi Germany. The device was created by Krupp in 1937 as a siege artillery for annihilation objectives. The French Maginot Line, which at the time was the strongest fortification, was the target of the attack. The gun was approximately 1,050 tons in weight and could fire 70 tons plus projectiles. It had a 47-kilometer firing range, one of the heaviest mobile artillery pieces ever constructed. It was the largest caliber rifled weapon ever used in combat. Largest excavator, Bagger 288. A German company, Krupp Bagger 288, created it for energy and mining uses. Its construction was finished in 1978 and it beat off the giant Muskie to become the largest vehicle in the world, weighing a whopping 13,500 tons. Its construction took 10 years and cost a total of roughly $100 million. It was developed to address the issue of removing overload prior to coal extraction in the German surface mine of Hambach. Biggest aircraft, Antonov AN-225 Mriya. The Antonov AN-225 Mriya assumes the function of an enormous cargo freighter. The aircraft was manufactured at the Antonov serial manufacturing unit after being conceived by the Antonov Group. Its construction was finished in 1988, and on December 21st of the same year, it took flight for the first time. After successfully completing missions for the Soviet military, it is presently utilized for transporting huge payloads. It is renowned for having the highest payload ever lifted, which is 189,980 kilograms, making it unique in its class and holding the absolute world record. Overburden Conveyor Bridge F-60. The bridge was built from 1969 to 1991, with work beginning in that year. In Lockhammer, Volkswagener Betrieb Takraft produced it. It was known as F-60 because of its 60-meter height. It is the largest portable industrial technical machine in the world and is used for lignite mining in the Lusatian coal fields of Germany. Moving the overload that is located over the coal joint is the machine's responsibility. Because it is the longest and biggest car ever manufactured, it is also known as the Sleeping Eiffel Tower. The largest Hadron Collider. The enormous Hadron Collider, which debuted on September 10, 2008, is one of the most potent and important particle accelerator. The collider comprises of a 27-kilometer ring of superconducting magnets with a number of accelerating components to accelerate the particles along the way. Before they collide inside the accelerator, two beams of high-energy particles move in directions adjacent to those of light. The beam pipes are two tubes that are kept in ultra-high vacuum, and the beam's paths are opposite to one another. The top quark, also known as the Higgs boson, is a large particle created by collision that took place inside the collider. This one might just be the world's biggest motorbike. Built by Fabio Reggiani, this megabike stands at 5 meters tall and weighs 5.5 tons. This is the biggest two-wheeled vehicle to ever travel at 91 meters. It even features some very extended handles, a 5.7-liter V8 Chevrolet engine with a 3-speed transmission. The world's largest aircraft, the Stratolaunch. The Stratolaunch was revealed by Microsoft's co-founder Paul Allen before his untimely death in 2018. This monster has a wingspan of 117 meters and weighs in at 580 tons. It needs a total of 6 engines to get off the ground. It has been designed to launch rockets into space from the air, hence the name. Crawler, the rocket transporter. The Marion Power Shovel Company produced the Crawler, which is now a rocket transporter. Its creators also refer to it as a facility for missile crawler transfer. Additionally, it has dimensions of 131 feet in length, 144 feet in width, and an adjustable height of 20 to 26 feet. The enormous equipment is maintained at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida and weighs a whopping 2,721 tons. Two of these largest self-powered cars in the world cost a total of $14 million to build, and the NASA intends to transport its space launch system using one of the two crawlers.